I want to get straight to the point right here. 2021 Chevy Traverse. I need to change the brake pads on the back, and it has electronic park brakes on it. They say you need a scanner to release them, or you need to actually disassemble the electronic park brake on the rear in order to change your brake pads. That is not so. You can do it from inside the cabin here, and I will show you how to do that. So I'm going to explain the actual movements I'm going to do in order to get this thing into service mode. Start by starting your engine. Once your engine is running, you press and hold the brake. You'll press and hold your park brake button, and then in the tachometer side you will see a little yellow wrench symbol start flashing after about 10 or 12 seconds. When that starts flashing, immediately release the brake pedal, raise your finger and tap that button one time, and then it will go into service mode. First, we're going to start the engine. Alright, so you begin by holding the brake pedal down, and then you will press the park brake and hold it. I'm still holding it, and in about 10 seconds you will see a little wrench symbol pop up. Okay, there it is. And so now I'm going to release the brake pedal. I'm going to let off this and tap it one time. Park brake released. It is fully retracted. You can go back there and remove your rear wheels, compress your caliper cylinders, and you can change your brake pads. Everything is fine. So when you get done doing that job, you're going to need to take it back out of service mode. And the way you do that on the Chevy Traverse is you once again press the brake pedal, and then you will set the park brake and hold it. And once you hear the park brake start moving, it'll be finished, and it'll say park brake released. So now the park brake is closed back, and I can go ahead and set it now if I want to. And the park brake set. Everything works as it should. Well guys, that's just a quick video right there. If you like it, please leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. That's how I change the brakes on the 2021 Chevy Traverse. This will work on the Silverados of the same year model. I think even up to current date. I know on those you have a one single press button on the dash. You don't have an option to pull it up like I do to set my park brake, but the button press is what you do on it. You never pull up, you just keep pressing the button, and it works the same way. There's videos on the Silverados. I couldn't find any on the Traverse, but it does work on the Traverse. Thank y'all for stopping by today watching, and if you found this video just looking for Traverse brakes and you happen to have a Jeep, this channel is about Jeeps. You're more than welcome to stay around and check out some of my Jeep videos. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll come back next time.